You are the center of attention. You shift atmospheres when you come around. You have a mindset like people do not have out here, and it shows as soon as you walk through the door. And people nowadays, we're in competition with everybody, and we don't even know it. Well, if we're running in a competition, you already know the story of the tortoise and the hare, baby. We always take the slow way, baby, but we ain't gonna win the race, always. And people, they see you coming through with your success-driven mindset, they're wondering, how is this? They see it all written all over you. As soon as you walk through it, how is this guy winning? Even if you're not winning at the time, you put on this appearance in public that you have it all together. You know, you have it all going on. You know what I mean? And that's the mindset you need to have. That's a success mindset. And they're wondering, how did he do it? How? You know what I love to do? I love just going to the mall, sitting by myself, and just having a little dessert, a little treat, a little Cinnabon treat. I exaggerate the way I eat it, you know what I'm saying? And I love I'll take a little pic. I usually have my shades on, so, you know, my little Cinnabon. I happen to look to the left a little bit. I just peek a little bit. I don't even move my head too much. And I see them looking. I see them looking like, how the hell this guy so peaceful eating that Cinnabon like that? He don't got no stress at home. He don't got no stress. How is he winning this competition in life? All they gotta do is come sit down and ask me, but guess what? They're too scared. One reason, they are scared. Their demons will not approach you. All they will do is stare at you. So like I said, it's because you're the center of the universe, baby. You're the center of attention, baby. So own this show. Own your show, baby. Own your show. Be the hero of your own story. Ha ha.